What is the zero-click reality and why does it matter? So, you keep hearing about zero-click search. Let me explain what it actually means and why it's quietly killing the traditional SEO model. Zero-click search is the share of Google searches that end without anyone clicking through to any web page. The buyer reads the AI overview answer right on the results page and never visits a source site. In 2026, roughly 60% of all Google searches now end with zero click. That's almost double what it was 18 months ago. The implication matters. If you measure SEO success purely on click traffic, your performance will quietly decline even as your visibility increases. Pages keep ranking, traffic keeps falling. Most agencies still report on rankings and treat the traffic drop as a separate problem. The real win condition has shifted. Brands now compete to be the named source cited inside the AI overview itself. Being cited beats being ranked number one in the blue links most of the time. Quick win for today. Open Google, search 5 of your top buyer intent queries. Check whether an AI overview appears and whether your brand is cited or not. That's the new visibility check. How do I get my business cited in Google AI overviews? Want your business to start being cited in Google AI overviews? Here are the 6 levers that genuinely move the needle. The first is direct answer openings. Every section of your content page should start with 1 to 3 quotable sentences answering the buyer's questions. The AI engine lifts that opening. The second is question-based H2 tags that match how buyers actually phrase the query. So, how long does local SEO take? It will beat local SEO timeline because it matches the buyer's wording. The third is real expertise signals. Author bios with credentials, named clients with permission, specific case studies with quantified outcomes. The AI overview prefers sources with demonstrable first-hand experience. The fourth is proper schema markup. FAQ page on FAQ sections, article on guide, person on author bios, local business on service pages. The fifth is source triangulation. Cite at least one named external authority per quantitative claim. The AI overview prefers content that triangulates its claims with named sources. And the sixth is update cadence. Visible last updated dates and quarterly refresh on your highest value pages. Here's a quick win for today. Pick your top 3 pages and add a 2 to 3 sentence direct answer paragraph at the top of every H2 section. That single change usually moves citation rates within 60 days. Why is my website not appearing in AI overviews? So your website ranks fine on Google, but you're nowhere to be seen in the AI overviews above the blue links. Let me tell you exactly why and how to fix it. The AI overview citation logic is different from the ranking logic. Pages can rank well and still not be cited. 5 problems usually go wrong together. The first one is that your content lacks clean, direct answer paragraphs. The opening sentences under each heading don't answer the question cleanly enough for the AI engine to lift. The second is weak EEAT signals. No author bio, no real expertise statement, no named experience. The AI engine prefers sources with demonstrable authority. The third is missing schema markup. The AI engine uses schema as a structural cue when deciding what to lift. Pages without proper schema get cited noticeably less often. The fourth is no external source citations. Standalone claims read as less reliable to the AI engine. Pages that cite named external authorities get triangulated and lifted more often. And the fifth is stale content. Pages that haven't been updated in 2 to 3 years get downweighted heavily by AI overviews for time-sensitive topics. Here's a quick win for this week. Add visible last updated dates to your top 10 pages and run a quarterly refresh schedule. That single move can lift citation rates by 20 to 40% on its own. How long until my pages get cited in AI overviews? Wondering how quickly AI overview citations appear once you rewrite your pages properly? Let me give you the realistic time. Most rewritten pages start appearing in AI overview citations within 4 to 12 weeks of being recrawled and re-indexed. Meaningful citation share typically lands somewhere between 3 and 6 months. The compound effect kicks in around month 4 to 6. The first citation is by far the hardest one to earn. Subsequent citations follow much faster because the AI engine learns to recognize your content as an authoritative source. Here's the trap most owners fall into. They rewrite a page, check for citations after 2 weeks, see nothing, and assume the rewrite failed. The crawl and reindexing cycle takes weeks. Patience is genuinely part of the workflow. So here's the quick win for today. Set yourself a 12-week reminder right now to recheck AI overview citation status on every page you rewrite. That's your real first checkpoint. Anything earlier is just noise. How do I track AI overview citation rate? Want to track AI overview citation rate as a real SEO metric? Here's the simple process I use with our clients. There are 4 steps and you run them monthly across your highest priority buyer intent queries. The first is to identify your top 30 buyer intent queries, the ones that drive inquiry volume historically. The second is to run each query through Google manually. Check whether an AI overview appears and which sources are cited. The third step is to log the citation status in a simple monthly tracker. 3 columns: query, AI overview present, yes or no, brand cited, yes or no. The fourth step is to track the citation rate as a percentage and report it alongside rankings and traffic in your monthly dashboard. You can use tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, and also Ask to automate parts of this process. But the manual monthly check on 30 queries takes about 90 minutes and gives you the cleanest baseline. Here's a quick win for today. Pick 10 of your top buyer intent queries and check AI overview citation status right now. You'll have a real baseline by end of the day. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.